A manufacturing facility needs to load and unload steel plates of 10 times 1,800 times 6,000 in size from trucks regularly. This task requires precision, speed, and above all, safety. We recommended our HM1 Electro permanent lifting magnets, specially designed for lifting steel plates. With their robust construction and advanced technology, these lifting magnets offer a safe working load capacity of 25 tons, making them ideal for heavy-duty applications. Moreover, their electro-permanent design ensures both power and reliability without the need for a continuous power supply. Our lifting magnets can be easily installed on existing cranes or lifting systems, minimizing downtime and ensuring quick deployment. If you are interested in boosting productivity, enhancing safety, and streamlining your steel plate handling operations, consider integrating electro-permanent lifting magnets into your workflow. Get in touch with HVR MAG today to explore how these advanced magnets can benefit your business.